Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to add a link to an image in WordPress, and in this video I will show you how to add a link to an image for Gutenberg blog and Elementor page builder as well. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, and very first I want to show for the Gutenberg blog. That's mean how to add an image link for Gutenberg blog. So hover on post and click on all post. Already I have added a post and I want to edit it. So very first visit the post. You can see it shows some text only, and I want to add an image and want to give a link with the image. Okay, so edit the post, add an image, plus this icon and search here image. This is the image widget, and you can add an image in two ways. You can upload image from the computer or laptop, and you can add image from the media library. I want to upload an image from my computer. Click on upload, and this is the image. Select and open. You can see it shows some icon, and you have to click on this icon link. Click on it. Then this is the field where you have to give the link. Already I have copied my YouTube URL and I want to give it here. Okay, you have to give your URL that you want to give. Like you can give here your website URL or your social media URL here. Then click on this. This is the arrow, down arrow icon, apply. Okay, then from the right side click on this down arrow. If you want to open this link with a new tab, then you have to enable it. So click this toggle button and enable it. Then save from the right side top. Now visit the post. Yes, the image has been added, and you can see if you hover over on this image, then it shows hand icon. That's mean the link is working perfectly. And now click on this image. Yes, the link is open with a new tab. Okay, let's check. If you want to open this same tab, then click here, then the down arrow, and just close it. Then save change and visit the post. Okay, click on this. It open in the same tab. Okay, now I want to show how to add an image link for the Elementor page builder. So now I can close this tab. Okay, visit the website. This is the home page and it is completely blank page. I want to edit this page and want to add an image with link. Click a section here. Okay, now search here image, drag and drop here. You can see this UI some different, like Gutenberg blog UI is different from it. Okay, now click and choose image. Now I want to give from the media library. Select, close this. Then again you can see it shows image, resolution, caption and link. You have to give link here. So I want to give custom URL, then paste the link. Then click on this gear or setting icon, click on it. Then you can see it shows opening a new window. If you want to open this link with a new window, then you have to check this box. Then save from the right side top. Visit the website and click on this image. Yes, it works perfectly. So in this video we have learned how to add a link to an image for Gutenberg blog and page builder as well. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos on WordPress.